Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding word examples for the consonant letter D. The consonant letter D gives the sound D, D. And I have some word examples. I'll open up the slashes now and then sound them together. I'll transcribe and we will sound them together. Okay? I will open the slashes to make it very fast, and I'm going to make my symbols very big because of the template that I received. Let me make my symbols very big. These are the symbols. This is day. Then the next one is date. And this is dust. This one is dirt. This one is drive. This one is, oh, this is not big enough. This is big, okay? This one is deep. This one is door. This one is dad. And this one is dish. The swimminess is coming in. These two. We gave this now. This is duck. Okay, let me close them up and we will sound them together. Okay, this is day, date, dust, dirt, drive, deep, door. I didn't close up this, sorry. Door, dad, dish, duck. Okay, I'll go just once more. Day, date, dust, dirt, drive, deep, door, dad, dish, and duck. Remember, transcribing words is not meant for only primary school children or even secondary school children. It's not meant for students at all. It's not meant for them alone. That's what I want to say. It's good for everybody because it helps to boost our memory. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. God bless you.